So we have example number 3 on the topic about equation of parabola with vertex at the origin. It says, find the equation of the parabola with vertex at 0, 0 and focus at 0, negative 3/4, then sketch the graph. So, kabaliktaran to ng first two examples na pinakita ko dun sa videos ko, sa mga videos. Yung first two examples ko, given yung equation, sketch natin yung graph at kukunin natin yung different conditions of the parabola based from the equation. This time, iba. Ang given ay conditions. Ang i-determine natin, equation. So, kabaliktaran. Paano natin to masosolve? Kailangan, sketch muna natin o i-plot natin yung points given sa XY plane. Okay? Yung solution natin. So, we have 0, 0 na andito yung ating vertex. And then, focus is 0, negative 3/4. So, ito ay on the negative side of the y-axis. We have 1, 2, ito maliit. Ano natin? 3/4. So, 1, 2, natin dito 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Yan. Okay. So, 0, negative 3/4 is nandito sa negative y-axis. Yeah. So, 3/4, that will be 0.75 of 1 unit. So, nandito siya. Okay. So, namin focus. So, we all know that the distance from vertex to focus equals to C. At ito, yung distance na to, yun yung VF. That is equal to C. At yung distance na yun, based from the focus, coordinates ng focus, that is 3/4. Therefore, the value of C is 3/4. Okay? Nakuha na natin yung C. Now, since yung ating vertex is on top of the focus, the parabola opens downward. Okay? So, pag ang parabola opens downward, ang kanyang standard form is x squared equals negative 4cy. Okay? So, sa makatuwid, ang sagot natin sa example number 3, since we already know the focal distance, which is 3/4, our answer is x squared equals negative 4, c is 3/4. 3/4 times y, cancel out 4, salang cancel. This is 3/4. So we can cancel. Therefore, the equation of this parabola is x squared equals negative 3y. Okay, so this is our answer. This is the equation of the parabola with vertex at the origin and focus located at 0, negative 4. Okay, what is the next step? We need to sketch the graph of this parabola given these conditions. Paano natin sketch? We need the length of the latus rectum. Okay. Solving for LR. So LR is 4 times C. And C is equals to 3/4. So 4 times C, which is 3/4. Therefore, the length of the latus rectum is, cancel, 3 units. And half of the latus rectum is 1.5 or 3/2. Okay? So, pwede na nating mag-graph yung ating, may sketch yung graph ng ating parabola. Ang haba ng latus rectum na dadaan sa focus ay 3 units. So, ibig sabihin, 1.5 sa kanan, 1.5 sa kaliwa. So, from here, 1 to 1 and then 1.5. So, ito yan. Dito naman, 1 and then 0.5. So, ito. So, ang graph ng ating parabola po pag ito. Mas maganda siguro kung blue. So, ito yung ating parabola. Okay. Ito yung ating latus rectum. Ang endpoints ng ating latus rectum is up to here. That will be negative 3 halves, comma. Then, the vertical distance is negative 3/4. Itong kabila naman is sub 1. Horizontal distance is 3 halves, positive. Then, vertical distance is negative 3/4. Focus is located at 0, negative 3/4. And our directrix is on top, which is, you see, which is a 3/4. Then, ang kanyang distance from the origin. So, naandito siya. So, ito yung ating directrix. At ang equation ng directrix natin is y equals 3/4, or that is equal to 4y equals 3. Okay? So, this is the directrix. This is the location of the focus. 0 to negative 3/4. And then, the endpoints of the latus rectum or negative 3 halves, negative 3/4, and 3 halves, negative 3/4. Okay? So, that is the answer for example number 3. Okay, we have the equation. This equation is this parabola. Or we can rewrite this equation to the general equation of a parabola by transposing negative 3y, x squared plus 3y equals 0. So that is another form of equation of ating parabola. So that is example number 3. And thank you. So we have example number 4. It says, find the equation of the parabola with focus at 1, 0 and directrix of x equals negative 1. Sketch the graph. Again, ang pinapahanap sa atin ay equation given yung conditions. And what are those conditions? Ang condition ay focus daw located sa 1, 0 at ang equation ng directrix is x equals negative 1. So, kukunin natin dito equation of this parabola. And we're going to sketch the graph of the parabola. Okay. So, sketch natin yung graph. I-plot natin yung points and then i-draw natin yung equation of the directrix. So, we have, para magka-idea tayo kung saan open yung ating parabola. So, yung parabola natin ay ang focus natin ay nasa 1, 0. So, let's say this is 1. So, naandito yung focus. Okay? And then, yung ating directrix, negative 1. So, ito, ang negative 1. So, naandito yung ating directrix. X equals negative 1. So, we all know that the distance from the directrix to focus, or that is FD, is always equal to 2C. Okay? Laging 2C yan. So, sa makatuwid, ang focus natin is located half of 2C. Okay? Nasa midpoint nung ating segment connecting the distance, connecting the directrix and the focus. So, sa makatwid, ang ating vertex dito ay nasa origin. Okay? Therefore, vertex located at 0, 0. Okay? And then, focus natin ay nasa given 1, 0. Okay. So, ito yung ating vertex. Midpoint siya nung directrix, and focus. So sa makatuwid, ang ating parabola opens to the right. Okay? So na ito yung focus, na ito yung vertex, na ito yung directrix, opens to the right siya. Parabola opens to the right. Kapag parabola opens to the right, the equation, the standard form niya is y squared equals 4cx. Okay? Now, the distance from vertex to focus from this graph is equal to c here, at ang sukat niya is 1 unit. Therefore, the value of c is equals to 1. And the answer in this example para sa equation ng parabola will be, just substitute the value of c, which is 1, to this equation. That is our answer to the equation of the parabola. We have y squared equals 4 times c is 1, x. Therefore, y squared equals 4x. So that is the equation of this parabola. Sinasagot natin. Okay? Ang kasunod natin is yung sketch ng graph natin. So, we solve for LR. So, LR. LR equals 4C. Okay? Ito na mismo yan. No? 4 times C. Therefore, LR equals 4 times 1 or 4 units. At ang kalahati ng LR is 2. Okay? So, therefore, ang ating endpoints of the latus rectum is located at, starting from the focus, kakount tayo 2 units upward, 2 units downward. So, we have 1, 2 here. Tapos 1, 2 here. Na andito. Tanggalin natin to. Okay, ito. So, ito yung ating graph ng ating parabola. Ito yung ating latus rectum, equivalent to 4 units. So, ang aking endpoints ng parabola is 1. Kalahati ng parabola is 2 units. So, 2. 1, 2. Sa baba, we have 1, negative 2. Okay? What else? So, this parabola has an equation of y squared or this one. Okay? So, that is the answer to example number 4. We have now the equation of the parabola and we have the sketch or the graph of the parabola. Thank you.